Hey, Manette.
Hi, Alia.
Do you want to play Truth or Dare?
Yeah, sure. That sounds fun.
Okay.
What are you planning?
Hi, it's Adrian.
Yes. She likes you.
So, guys, we're going to be playing Truth or Dare. Sound good?
Not again.
I told you this wasn't over, cat. I'll go first. Adrian, Truth or Dare?
Dare.
I dare you to have you and Merida stand next to each other and transform.
This was for Adrian, right?
Yeah, and he's been dared to do it with you.
Some pics.
Okay. Mari, do you want me to come over?
Yeah, my house.
Okay. I'm here.
To transform together.
And don't forget the pics.
Yeah, the pics.
And kiss.
Oh, okay. What?
It's so cute.
I'll just send them to you separately because it's not working in the group chat.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my God.
Whoa, why don't you get like that when we kiss?
No, they're not ready. Ready for what?
Yeah, for what?
My cuteness.
Yeah, sure.
They have no idea how fast my ship is sailing.
Alia, truth or dare?
Truth.
Do you actually admire Ladybug more than Nino?
Alia? Hey, that's not fair. Well, yes, but he's my second favorite superhero. Who could you?
No.
I thought you loved me. I do. I'm done. I hate you, Adrian.
Oh my gosh, Nino and Alia left.
Oh, you know. I didn't honk. This would end up in a beer cup.
I can't believe you, Bae. It's just me and you now, Adrian. Let me just make everyone hate me. Adrian, we can finally be together. You didn't need those bad people, weirdos. Anyway, I never said I was done with him. I still love him to pieces. Wait, no. Adrian ruined a ship. How could you, Adrian? A ship?
So, does anyone want to be my friend anymore?
I do.
Okay. When? Where?
Wait, we're engaged now?
Yes.
I hate your guts, Marinette.
Lila! Then I hate you too.
Yeah.
Whoever messes with my fiance messes with me too.
Yeah.
Fiance? I love you, Adrian. Let's get married today. Don't forget to send pics. I thought you were mad. Nope, you guys are getting married. It's the best day of... No. The best day of life was the day Ladybug put me inside a cage at the zoo with Nino, and I fell in love with him.
I love you too, Aya. Will you marry me too, dude? Yeah, man.
Don't forget to send pics.